I just want to show you a brief video on how to replace your piston on your trusty old Hilti DX-350 tool. You should need just a few tools to do it unless you have issues. Basically, we're going to start with rolling back what's called the annular spring that retains your barrel, and we just need to slide it out of position, and that'll allow us to take the return stop or dog out. You'll notice the notch goes forward, so make sure that goes back in the same way. Now you can separate the front barrel from your tool, take our screwdriver and work off our C-clip. Now it's a spring steel, so keep a hold of it there so it doesn't fly away. Set that aside. Now we can separate the rest of the barrel. Now to get our piston out of here, we can use either a pliers. If they're wedged in there, you can take a small punch or pin and push it out from the back end there if you'd like. This piston isn't too bad. It's chipped up a little bit. Some guys might keep using it, but we're going to set that aside, maybe keep it as a spare. To put our new piston in, you'll note there's a gap on the ring on some of the pistons. Some don't, but many of them do. Put that piston gap or ring gap away from your gap on the barrel and simply slide it to the back of the barrel. At that point, you can put your fastener guide or muzzle bushing into the front barrel, place them together slot to slot, then install your barrel clip. A couple taps and it'll go back in. Slide your barrel back in. We want to have your notch lined up with the groove there. Come in here, and then we can take our return stop and push that in there and push it forward. That should allow you to position your annular spring or retaining spring back into position. There you have it. Simple operation, easy to do on the fly when you're cleaning or what have you. But there you have it, replacing the piston on the Hilti DX350 tool.